Music has been Israel Kamakawiwo'ole's one constant, from when he was an 11-year-old boy in Palolo Valley to a teenager in Makaha, when his brother and friends formed the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau. But over the years, Israel faced a series of devastating losses. His departure last year from the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau, the death of both his parents, and in 1982, the death of his singing partner and best friend, his brother Skippy.
I guess he died of a massive heart attack, and I guess it's due to the weight and I guess depression. I guess he never have nobody for really talk to like how me, you know. I had somebody like Dave Tasaka.
Dave Tasaka is the man who got Israel to start heading for the pool for exercise, to start dieting, and more importantly, Israel says, to start working on his inner self.